So here we're going to be working with the inverse normal distribution. So we now have the probability. We want values on the axis. Remember, the mean here is 10 because we're doing a normal 10, 9, and that means the standard deviation is 3. So on this particular calculator, I go into a stat menu here. I want distribution, which is the 5th thing in the list. Normal is the first thing, and it's inverse normal we're using here. Now, in part 1, or part A, I should say, the tail is in the middle. So what we do is center, which is number 3. The area is 0.7. And because I've used these values before, we can see standard deviation is set to 3 and mean is set to 10. So we just execute a couple of times. And we get that this value here, A, is 6.89. And the B was, I think it was 13.11. Let's just check on the calculator, 13.11. And then we'll go to part B. And so I'll just exit there and we can go back up. And we now want a right setting because the tail is off to the right. So that's F2. And the probability here is going to be 0.2. And then we keep the sigma and mu the same. And that gives me that C is 12.52.